Let's take a look at the pound dollar for the upcoming November the 18th session. Again, overall, not a lot of price commitment. We've had a couple pops here, but at this point for the last day or so, just some up and down price action, similar to what we've seen on the euro over here for the last couple days. Bias, still an uptrend. We're fighting with these highs. Now, I'm going to clear out some of these trades that we were looking at last week. There was those buys and sell levels, and they did come to fruition. And we'll just we didn't have the time to track that last week. We'll start tracking it again this week. But we have a very good levels here to look at on the pound dollar. As you can see, this level is important because it follows all the way back to here. We also have a beautiful 4-hour trend line that's coming in right over in this area right here. So we have a lot of nice things that are happening right in here. So let's go on down to the 1-hour chart. And this is going to help us see a little bit more of this rhythmic price action that's going on here. The MACD again here on the 1-hour telling us there's no real trend. If anything, it's slightly bullish because it's to the upside here. But again, there's that 4-hour trend line in here very, very nicely. So what we're going to watch for, just one buy really and one sell position on the pound dollar. And if we get close below this trend line here on a 60-minute chart, we're going to look for a sell. If we close above this resistance point up here on a 60-minute chart, we're going to look for a buy. And again, we're going to reiterate, folks, because sometimes you see those spikes that wick through. Wait for the close of the candle and make sure it closes above it. Not a spike above these levels or below these levels. A candle must close above it. For example, if you were going to, we'll show you a drastic example right here. Say if when price, I wish I could get that out of my mouth. There we go. Close below this level on a 60-minute, we're going to go short. There's the close. It's significant. But it closed clearly below that. It's not a spike through and close back up above it. So we get a couple questions from time to time on that, and hopefully that explains it. So for the pound dollar for the upcoming November the 18th session, we're looking for one buy and one sell, folks.